Hello everyone, well we're now going to show you the safety demonstration video highlighting all the safety aspects of this aircraft. Cabin crew, please now take your safety demonstration positions. Any questions at all about safety, don't hesitate to contact your nearest cabin crew member. Thank you.
You must ensure this is also attached for takeoff and landing. It is adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety in case of turbulence, we recommend you keep your seatbelts fastened and visible at all times. Tighter! Oh.
Should we need to evacuate, move quickly to the nearest usable exit. Taking nothing with you as carrying baggage may block aisles and exits and delay your evacuation. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now.
Eyes on your cabin crew.
You're going to need those, aren't you? Thank you. Cheers. Thanks, Alex. Oh, with that,
Your in-flight manager, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all today. Special welcome to those of you resuming from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. Our seats in Club World, please take care of your personal electronic device when adjusting your seat. If your device does get lost, please do not move the seat, but do let one of us know so we can assist. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all Executive Club members to enjoy on today's flight. Shortly, you can connect to the BA Wi-Fi or join our Executive Club by simply visiting shop.ba.com, where you can access free messaging and discover more offers. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, read the digital version of the High Life magazine for free by the Air Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls also not permitted at any time during the flight. Now we are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please do contact any member of the crew. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know. And thank you. We do have a customer on today's flight who does have a nut allergy, and it's very important, please, that you adhere to not eating or opening any packs of nuts or any items that may contain nuts. We would most appreciate it so that we can look after everybody and look after this customer today. Thank you very much indeed, we do thank you for your understanding.